Hey everybody, this is Melissa, the founder of Live Laugh Lyme, and I just wanted to thank you personally for liking the Facebook page, and I just wanted to also tell you a little bit about myself and my unique personal journey with Lyme disease. So on August 3rd, 2010, I was actually in graduate school pursuing my MBA in accounting when unfortunately before my first semester of graduate school was ending, I got sick and I was unable to take my last final. I thought I had a severe stomach flu, but unfortunately, once the stomach flu symptoms went away, I was constantly nauseous still and unable to eat solid foods. So, after going to the Mayo Clinic, Temple University Hospital, and Mount Sinai, doctors still could not figure out what was wrong with me, which was very frustrating because all I wanted to do was get better. So, after traveling across the country, doctors still couldn't figure out what was wrong with me, and it was only until last year I was officially diagnosed with Lyme disease, which I never thought I had because I never showed the typical symptoms. I never had the bullseye rash, and my only symptom was the inability to eat and being nauseous. After having blood tests, I then started to develop, after several months, more typical Lyme symptoms, which include Bell's palsy in my face, severe joint pain, insomnia, horrible brain fog, movement disorders, and countless other symptoms. Now that my Lyme has been undiagnosed for so long, treatment is very complicated to the point where I was on a PICC line for several months, and now I have a portacath in my chest for IV antibiotics because the Lyme is now so hard to treat with my inability to eat, and it's in my brain through tests which prove that. So it makes it very complicated to treat at this point, especially now that it's chronic Lyme. It's nice to know that I finally have a diagnosis, but now that I'm 25 years old, this is not the way that I planned my life to be, and it's scary because until recently I never thought that this could happen to me, because for so long I was probably living with Lyme disease, and I just wish that this never happened to me, which is why it's my mission to bring awareness to Lyme disease because my case is so rare, which is why I finally have a doctor that is able to treat me and believes in my case, because so many other doctors were not able to figure out what was wrong with me. It's very hard to figure out Lyme disease since it mimics so many other diseases, and that's why they call it the great imposter, and they consider it an invisible illness. But you have good days and you have bad days with Lyme disease, and it's very hard because all you want to do is be normal again, and you don't know when that will be. But that's why I created Live Laugh Lyme, because no matter how I'm feeling, as long as I know I'm bringing a smile to someone's face, that's the best gift that I could ever give to anyone. And when I hear the positive feedback from everyone, such as Jennifer Capriati, the former world tennis champ, as a diehard tennis fan, that's the greatest gift I could give to anyone, even just across the country. The tweets and the favorites and the comments I get from everyone. You're giving me the best gift and the instant medicine that I need, and it's my pleasure to bring smiles to all of your faces. And I know that every day is a hard battle, but I can't thank you enough for helping me, give me the strength to continue fighting. And that's why I created Live Laugh Lyme, to help give others the strength to keep fighting and motivating you to keep fighting every day, no matter the struggles we face, because it's things that Lyme patients need, like Live Laugh Lyme, to keep going an extra day, because I know how hard it can be to keep going, but if we just keep fighting together, we can overcome these obstacles, and in the end it will only make us a stronger patient and a stronger person. But I just want to thank you, and I wanted to share my story with you and to know that we are in this together for the long run, and you're not alone. Just remember that. Thanks, everyone, and I hope this inspires you to keep fighting. And remember, live, laugh, Lyme.